Hello everyone, welcome to Roman Just Codes. I'm Roman, and in this episode I'll continue with the initial plumbing for my Flicky home automation app that we'll use to control smart devices around the house. Make sure to catch the previous videos in the series where I discuss hardware as well as setting up the initial project and start the project from scratch. This video deals with setting up the theming for the app. As you may recall, I'll be building this app with theming in mind, where the user can switch between light and dark mode. This is an application feature that is almost expected by our users. A theme is a set of styles or attributes such as color, type, and shape, which can affect the look and feel of a user's mobile or large screen device and in-app experience. We'll be building on top of the material design theme for Flutter, which enables personal, adaptive, and expressive experiences, from dynamic color and enhanced accessibility to foundations for large screen layouts and design tokens. As of this recording, Flutter is in the process of migrating to Material 3. Let's start. In the Styles folder, I'll create a themes.dart file. This will house my themes configuration for both light and dark. I'll create two static theme data instances for light and dark respectively, and inside of each I'll define the colors for each. See the theme data documentation to see all the colors and fonts you can define and things you can customize and define for each theme. In my case, I'll be defining the font family, canvas color, scaffold background, and an important property called color scheme, which will carry all the colors for my color scheme under that theme. I can use the from seed method if you want to base it off of a seed color. I want to also customize the look and feel of the progress indicator, all my elevated button widgets. Also, I want to set my text theme. Notice how I'm feeding most of these values out of the custom styles definition I defined earlier. I also want my drawer theme, I want an icon theme, and last but not least, a snack bar theme. You can go much further than this, but this is the extent to which I want to customize the look and feel for my theme. I'll do the same for the light theme. Now for the key step. Go to the Material App widget and define the theme property and set it to the light theme you defined. Set the dark theme property to the dark theme you just defined, and then set the theme mode to be thememode.system, which is the default, but I like to be explicit on my definition. When set to theme mode system, the choice of which theme to use will be based on the user's system preferences, which I'll show you in just a minute. Now that you've defined the theme, you can use it within your widget's build methods by using the theme.offContext method. The theme.offContext method looks up the widget tree and returns the nearest theme in the tree. Let's do a quick test with the theme.offContext to make sure we're pulling the theme information correctly inside inherited widgets. Go to the splash page widget and add a text style to the text widget and apply the primary color of the color scheme corresponding to the app's theme currently active. Notice that depending on which theme is applied, we will pull the corresponding primary color and apply it to our text widget. Okay, so for the light theme, we're getting the right color. Let's flip the theme to dark for the ultimate test. And simple as that, you have theming hooked up in your app from the get-go. I love how simple Flutter has made applying theming to our apps. If you don't want to roll out your own implementation and want more flexibility and want to go beyond this approach, I suggest using Flutter packages from the community such as Flex Color Scheme, which provides extended capabilities and additional features. In the next video, we'll be expanding on the splash and loading page and continue leveraging the theming selected to load assets accordingly. And we'll dive into the world of Rive animations in Flutter. See you on the next video. Hey there, I am Roman from Roman Just Codes. I hope that you found the content of this video very useful, and if you did, make sure to like it and subscribe to this channel. You know subscribing to this channel is free, right? Thank you so much for watching.